In this video, guys, I wanted to do a part 2 of the Pittsburgh AC manifold gauge set that you can get at Harbor Freight. Now, after I shot the first video, one of the things that I noticed was that these valves are actually mismarked. They're actually the opposite of what they're supposed to be. In other words, to open the valve, you actually would go this way to open it up, okay, turning to the left, and then to close it, you would be turning it to the right. But as you can see, it says open that way, which is closing it. And obviously, in the Chris Fix video, you can see that they're correct. He has a set of gauges that's actually correct, whereas this set of gauges is incorrect. And it's also incorrect on the couplers as well, for the low side as well as the high side. So you might be asking me, well, how did I not notice this? And I'll tell you guys why I didn't notice this. So to me, a couple of things are going on. I didn't really pay attention to the writing, and that's just because to me, if I want to open a valve, I'm going to turn it to the left, and the valve, it's going to move away that way. If I'm going to close it down, I'm going to turn it to the right, and it's going to move closer. And then finally, it's going to bottom out right there. That's closing the valve. So I just do it by feel, and I've always done it by 20 years. I'm just open a valve, or if you're working underneath the sink, and you're going to open the valve, you're going to turn to the left. You're going to close it. You're going to turn to the right. So I didn't even pay attention to the labeling on here, guys. So that's why I missed it. And obviously some of you guys caught it after I did the video as well, and you let me know, and I also appreciate that. But, so the question is, what do I do now? Because this set actually works really well. And I guess what I should do is just take it back to Harbor Freight, and I should just say, hey guys, obviously somehow, some way you guys got a batch of these that are mislabeled and get one that's correctly labeled. Certainly I could do that. Just get an exchange. Or these are actually stickers, and I could just take it and gently peel off the sticker that's there. Just gently peel it back. I could also get the heat gun and just hit it with the heat gun and then gently just take it off like that. I think those are my two options. So I'm going to wait to hear from you guys. What do you guys think I should do? Should I take it back, get another one, or should I just take off the stickers? One of the reasons I don't want to take it back, I don't want to take it back and get one that's properly labeled, and then when I go to use it, I find out that it has some other problem. It doesn't work. This one works. This one I've already used on my vehicles. It works perfectly. And when I have a tool that works perfectly, guys, I am not in a hurry to return it. So anyway, just wanted to raise this issue with you guys that, maybe when you buy this unit, if you want to buy this unit from Harbor Freight, you may want to make sure that it's properly labeled first. And then after you see that it's properly labeled, put it to the test. If it passes your individual test, don't return it. If you have any problems with it, just take it back, get another one within that 90-day window. One other tip is one of my adept subscribers said that sometimes the seals on these things are not very good. But what you could do is just go buy a cheap pair of seals and replace the seals on here. That's something I may do in time. Get a better quality set of seals for this thing, and then just go from there. That's one other tip I wanted to run by you guys. But anyway, guys, appreciate you a ton. Let me know what you guys think. Should I take it back or just pull the stickers off? That's it for this video, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Take care.